I've been reviewing Finelo throughout 2025, and while it presents itself as a modern investment education platform, there are a few serious concerns that potential users should be aware of. At first glance, Finelo offers structured courses, simulated trading environments, and tools meant to help beginners learn the basics of investing. But the real issue lies in how the platform handles billing and user support. One of the biggest red flags is the number of complaints about unexpected charges. Many users report signing up for a free trial or low-cost plan, only to be billed significant amounts later, often without clear warning or confirmation. What's more frustrating is that canceling these subscriptions isn't always straightforward. Several users mention difficulty reaching customer service or getting automated responses when asking for refunds, which leaves many feeling scammed or ignored. That's not to say there's no value in the platform at all. Some users have found the educational content useful, and the app does a decent job of simulating real-world trading scenarios. But when the customer experience becomes more about fighting surprise charges than learning about finance, it starts to cast doubt on the company's priorities. If you're thinking about signing up for Finelo, be sure to read all the terms carefully, monitor any billing activity from the start, and don't hesitate to cancel immediately if anything feels off. It's better to be cautious, especially when your personal or payment information is involved. If this honest review helped you stay informed, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who's exploring financial learning tools, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.